Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gabby if you're new here. Hi. Today we are going to be doing this neon rainbow look. And first I'm going to start with priming my eyes. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer and then blending it out with this fluffy brush that I got from Amazon. Now I'm dipping into my Norvina Pro Pigment Palette Volume 1 and using the shade D4. Now I'm going to take my RawBeautyKristi and PUR palette and dip into the purple shade called Tribute and use that shade to blend out the black. Now I'm dipping into the hot pink shade called Side Effect and blending that into the purple. I really don't know why I did this, but I dipped into the shade Am I Orange and put that in between those two pink blends, and it's just gonna all turn orange in a second anyway, so there's that. Dip into the shade Dandelion and buff out the pink and turn the entire look orange. Now it's time to cut the crease, and we're going to use some Vaseline and just create a line to cut the crease. Now wipe all of the Vaseline away with a cotton swab. Now back into that Norvina Volume 1 and packing on the black shade to fill in that little blank space at the end of my eye. Now I'm taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina Electric Cake liners and using the yellow shade to outline the area that we just cut. More primer, and now we're using it to clean up the eyeliner. Now I'm going back in with the shade Side Effect and packing that into the middle of the lid. And now the shade Tribute on the outer part of the lid. And now back into the shade Am I Orange? Alrighty, and this is what the eye look should look like so far. Went off camera to do my base and lashes. Now I'm stamping the shade D4 from the Norvina Volume 1 palette onto my lower lash line. Then blend out the black with the Am I Orange shade. And now Cafe Disco in the inner corner. And for the lips, I use the NYX Suede Lip Liner in the shade Cold Brew, and then the Shine Loud Lip Duo in Ambition Statement. Alrighty, and that would be it for the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!